Hello, teacher. Verb, for beng or to. I like to read before going to bed. I like to play the soccer with my friends at work. I love to travel and explore new places. I love listening to music when I am relaxing. I prefer to eat at home rather than go to restaurants. I prefer walking to work instead of driving. I want to learn how to play the guitar. I would like to learn another language. I hate to wake up early on weekends. I hate doing homework when I am tired. I forgot to call my friend yesterday. Can't stand waking up early on Mondays. I don't mind running in the morning for exercise. I enjoy learning new things every day. Thank you.